In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a blog in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean visual hub where every post lives as a card you can open, write in, and manage from draft to published with ease. We'll begin by creating a gallery database. In a blank page, type /gallery and choose the gallery database option. This layout is perfect for blogging because each card becomes a blog post, complete with its own page for writing and media. Give your database a clear name so it's easy to find later. You can resize the page or switch to full width if you want more room for your cards. Think of this gallery as your blog homepage inside Notion. A visual grid where each post is represented by a card you can click to open. Next, let's add the essential properties that make your blog organized and searchable. At the top of the database, add a date property for the publication date, so you always know when a post goes live. Add a tags property using a multi-select type. This lets you categorize posts by topics, which makes browsing and future filtering much easier. Create an author property to track who wrote the post. You can use a person property if you want to connect it to a Notion user, or a text property for a simple name entry. Finally, add a status property as a select type with draft, review, and published. This gives you a clear workflow at a glance. As you add properties, consider the naming conventions you'll use for tags and how you'll apply them consistently. That small habit pays off as your content library grows. Now, let's bring your blog to life with cover images. Open a postcard and add a page cover that represents the content. Consistent, well-chosen covers make your gallery feel like a real blog grid. Then, go to the gallery view settings and set the card preview to page cover. This tells Notion to use your cover image as the thumbnail in the gallery, giving each card a strong visual identity. You can also choose a comfortable card size so your images and titles are easy to scan. Aim for a cohesive style across covers, similar color tones or imagery, so your gallery looks polished. That's it. You've built a simple, effective blog in Notion, a gallery for posts, essential properties for structure, and cover images for visual appeal. Keep writing. Update your statuses as you go, and enjoy a streamlined, professional-looking space for your content. Thanks for watching.